In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email invoices directly from QuickBooks Online. To start, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you're in the correct company file and familiarize yourself with the top navigation so you know where the invoicing tools are located. This helps you move through the process smoothly without clicking around. Next, click Create near the top of the page. Under the Customer section, choose Invoice. This opens a fresh invoice form. Select the customer you want to invoice by choosing them from your list. Using the correct customer profile ensures their email and billing details populate automatically, which reduces errors and saves time. Enter the invoice date, the due date, and the invoice number. QuickBooks usually suggests today's date and can auto-generate the invoice number, but you can adjust these fields to match your internal numbering and payment terms. Accuracy here is important for clean records and timely collection. Under Product or Service, select the item or service you're billing for. Then enter the quantity and the rate. If you've set up your products and services in advance, QuickBooks will pull in default descriptions and pricing, which you can edit if needed. Take a moment to confirm the description, quantity, rate, and any discount rules you use. Clear line items help avoid back and forth with your customer. Review the invoice total at the bottom. If your business uses sales tax, QuickBooks may calculate it automatically based on your customer and item settings. Make sure the total aligns with your agreement, including any deposits, partial billing, or rounding conventions. If you want to provide context or terms, enter a note to customer. This is a great place to add a friendly reminder about the due date, late fees, or how you prefer to be contacted for questions. At the top of the invoice, check the email field to confirm the customer's address is correct. You can add additional recipients if needed, or copy yourself to keep a record of what was sent. When everything looks good, click Review and Send. A preview window will appear with the email subject, message, and a PDF of the invoice attached. Read through the content to ensure it's clear and professional. You can edit the subject line or message body to personalize the note or highlight the due date. Finally, click Send Now to email the invoice. QuickBooks will mark it as sent, and your customer will receive a secure link to view the invoice. And if online payments are enabled, they can pay directly from that link. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.